In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit or debit card to your eBay account. This is essential for anyone who wants to streamline the checkout process and ensure seamless transactions. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To start, open the eBay app on your device and log into your account. If you're opening the app for the first time today, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, navigate to the menu, which is usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the screen, depending on your device. The menu typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked together, often referred to as a hamburger icon. Tap on it and a list of options will appear. From this menu, you want to select Account Settings. This section is your go-to hub for anything related to managing your eBay profile and account preferences. In Account Settings, scroll through the options until you find either Payment Options or Manage Payment Methods. Selecting this will take you to a page dedicated to all things payment related, where you can review existing payment methods or add new ones. Now tap on Add Credit or Debit Card. This is where we'll input the new card information you'll be using for your purchases. When prompted, carefully enter your card details. This will include the long card number across the front, your card's expiration date, and the security code, also known as the CVV, usually found on the back of the card. Next, you'll need to provide your billing address, ensuring it matches exactly what your card provider has on file. Any discrepancy here might lead to your card being declined when you try to make a purchase, so double check the details before proceeding. After you've entered all the necessary details, go ahead and save this information. Saving these details will make future purchases much easier, allowing you to check out with just a few taps. It's especially handy if you frequently shop on eBay, eliminating the need to repeatedly enter your card information. Once saved, eBay securely stores your payment method, but remember that it's always good practice to periodically review the payment methods linked to your account. If any cards are outdated or no longer in use, it's wise to remove them to keep your account organized and secure. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a new credit or debit card to your eBay account, ready for your next shopping adventure. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to check out more of our videos for helpful tips and tricks to make your online shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. Happy shopping!